And the next thing I'm gonna show you is how to collab stream with another person. So the first thing you want to do is just go to the Friend Connections tab on the left and click Add Friends. Here I'm gonna share my Ingest 2 because that's what I'm using on my Moblin. So we're gonna add manavbokanala@gmail.com. He's right here. And so our friend request is sent. And on his end, all he needs to do is he'll get a notification here, so he needs to accept it and just share over his ingest as well. And immediately, you can even do this while you're live, but it shows up here. And so if we go to dashboard here, we're still in our scene, but if we go to the friend tab, we can see that his scene is actually active right now, and we just switch to it immediately. And so this can happen while you're live. So now we can collab and use the same camera, if we're eating or anything like that. And a lot of streamers like doing this. And to go back to your own scene, you just go to click Ingest 2 scene and it'll be back on your camera and you can collab together on your own camera. And yeah, that's as easy as it gets. Now you can just start stream and go from there.